everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do for a Milwaukee tool, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we're going to do a quick unboxing on this cordless rotary tool from Milwaukee, which is part number 2460-20. I got the bare tool. What all it came with. The box is empty, that's what it feels like. Then with the instruction booklet, came with looks like a couple cutoff wheels. 2, 3, 4, 5 cutoff wheels to start with. That's pretty nice. Came with a 1/8 inch shank. This is really nice. With the screw for the cutoff wheels. This is a lot nicer than the one that came with my Dremel, because the Dremel screws are so tiny. This is a nice, thick, wide screw, which is nice. This cutoff tool, it also came with the chuck wrench. And I'm going to take this battery off this power source, because we carried this M12 battery all day. Just going to pop it on here. It's pretty nice. Looks like there's a little foam stuck in there. Pretty fast. I don't know if that's foam or not. Yeah. Grab a little pick. No, I don't think it's foam. Just figured I'd check. That's actually really nice. I think it's going to come in handy. I like the feel of the lock button. It's not stiff like a hard plastic button. It's got a rubber kind of feeling. That one. I have a bunch of Dremel accessories. It takes the same 1/8 inch shank for accessories, so it's really nice. Well, that's just a quick unboxing. I'll do a review later after I've had lots of time to use it. It'll come in handy since all of my Dremels are corded. So, yeah, it's really nice. It's not the fuel, but hopefully they'll come out with a fuel one later. You can take this off and add the coiled wire for, you know, like hand carving stuff. So that's nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I got some more Milwaukee videos coming. and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't work too hard. Peace.